is responsible for leading the process of digital transformation? Responsibility for leading digital transformation typically lies with the board of directors and the executive leadership team. Digital transformation affects the organization's strategy, culture, operations, and business model, meaning it must be led from the top of the organization. Senior leaders must take ownership of the digital agenda and ensure that the transformation is aligned with the organization's long-term strategic objectives. Without strong leadership commitment, digital initiatives may remain isolated technology projects rather than becoming an integrated strategic transformation. Therefore, top management must provide direction, allocate resources, and ensure organization-wide support so that digital technologies can be effectively implemented and deliver sustainable competitive advantage. The Chief Executive Officer, CEO, often plays the central leadership role in digital transformation. As the highest-ranking executive, the CEO is responsible for defining the strategic vision and ensuring that digital initiatives support the organization's overall mission and strategy. In the digital era, CEOs are expected to act as creators of vision and mission, innovation promoters, and drivers of information-based business models. They must champion the transformation across the organization and ensure that digital strategy is embedded in decision-making processes. Because digital transformation frequently challenges existing business models, the CEO's leadership is essential to secure commitment from employees, investors, and other stakeholders. Although leadership begins at the top, digital transformation requires collaboration across the entire executive leadership team. Senior managers such as CIOs, CTOs, marketing leaders, and operations managers must work together to integrate digital technologies into all areas of the organization. Each function contributes specialized expertise. For example, IT leaders focus on technology infrastructure, while marketing leaders address digital customer engagement. This collective leadership ensures that digital transformation is not limited to technological change but also involves organizational processes, culture, and business models. By coordinating efforts across departments, the leadership team ensures that digital initiatives support strategic goals and create value for customers and stakeholders. Role of leaders in the digital transformation process and why it matters. Leaders must inspire and motivate employees to support digital transformation. Digital transformation represents a large-scale organizational change that may disrupt established routines, roles, and business processes. Leaders therefore need to energize the workforce and build confidence that digital initiatives are necessary and beneficial. Inspirational leadership encourages employees to embrace new technologies and adapt to new ways of working. Without strong motivation and clear direction from leadership, employees may resist change or lack the commitment needed to implement digital initiatives effectively. By creating a shared sense of purpose and urgency, leaders ensure that the organization remains aligned with a digital strategy. Leaders must establish a clear strategic direction for digital transformation. Digital strategy requires organizations to rethink traditional strategic planning processes and adopt more flexible and adaptive approaches. Leaders must define how digital technologies will create value, improve customer experiences, and strengthen competitive positioning. They may need to shorten planning cycles, experiment with new business models, and respond rapidly to technological developments. Establishing a clear strategic direction ensures that digital investments are aligned with organizational goals rather than being implemented as isolated technology projects. Effective strategic leadership therefore helps organizations prioritize digital initiatives and allocate resources appropriately. Leaders must influence stakeholders and secure the resources required for digital transformation. Implementing digital initiatives often requires substantial financial investment, organizational restructuring, and new partnerships. Leaders must therefore communicate a compelling business case for digital transformation to stakeholders such as investors, employees, and external partners. They need to explain how investments in technologies, such as cloud computing, automation, or data analytics, will generate long-term value. Because digital projects often involve uncertainty and long payback periods, strong leadership is required to persuade stakeholders to support the transformation and maintain confidence in the organization's strategic direction. Leaders also play a critical role in shaping organizational culture to support digital transformation. Digital organizations require cultures that encourage innovation, experimentation, and collaboration. Leaders must therefore promote openness to new ideas, tolerance of failure, and continuous learning. This may involve changing organizational structures, encouraging cross-functional teamwork, and investing in digital skills development. By fostering a culture that supports creativity and innovation, leaders enable employees to explore new digital opportunities and respond quickly to market changes. A supportive digital culture ultimately helps organizations remain competitive in rapidly evolving technological environments.